Hello train friends. You'll notice that I'm running my MTH Alco RS run, and it is pushing my CMX Track Cleaner. The CMX Track Cleaner has been the best investment for my model railroad as opposed to cleaning it by hand. I can reach most spots on the track, but there are several locations where it is really difficult for me to clean. You'll notice that the CMX Track Cleaner is in fact made of brass. It's very heavy, and it has the appearance of a tank car. It looks really good being pushed in front of my Alco RS1. But the main advantage of this track cleaner is that it really does provide the best cleaning method for, in my case, 3-rail tracks. The CMX Track Cleaner, as I mentioned, is brass. You fill the tank car with acetone or with denatured alcohol, whatever works best for your system. And it has abrasive pads underneath. The weight of the CMX Track Cleaner really bears down on the tracks themselves and really does a good job of cleaning. It has a dropper setting, and I fill the tank with, as I mentioned, acetone, and set the dropper setting to about 1 drop every 15 seconds. This does a really great job, and after running this one loop, I'll have to clean the pads before I run the bottom loop on my layout. This really is, for me, money well spent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to, you may want to purchase a track cleaner like this. It's expensive, but as I said, it's money well spent. I bought this CMX Track Cleaner through Yankee Dabbler. I'm not being paid by Yankee Dabbler to mention their name, but they gave me a really good deal, and I just couldn't turn the chance to buy the track cleaner down. Again, you can probably find this CMX Track Cleaner on yankeedabbler.com.